I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that we have in the professional emails where you can forward your email to a different email. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go into Apps, and then I'm going to go into Professional Emails. And in this area, I'm going to pick the domain that I want to work with. I'm going to click it and then choose View Email List. And here I've got Member Bots, and I'll click that. And then I'm going to look at this email right here, and I'm going to go to Configuration. And in Configuration, it's got my email right here, and I can choose to keep a local copy. That means I can still check Rainloop and check my emails there, or I can not check this, and it will actually forward the emails, and my Rainloop account will be empty. So I'm going to choose to not keep a local copy. That way I won't use up all my space with my email. So I'm going to then create a forwarding email address. So I'm going to click Create. And I'm going to enter the email that I want to forward it to. So I'm going to forward it to my Yahoo account. And then I'm going to click Save. And it's added this email so that every time I get an email at shelly@memberbots.com, it will automatically forward it to skydivingdiva@yahoo.com. And it's not going to keep a copy on the Rainloop servers. So that's how you forward your email to another email service in the Professional Emails app in Builderall.